Welcome to Forel headquarters in Treviso, Italy. Thank you for joining this walkthrough of our new Dura insulated glass manufacturing line, designed for Duralite and Duraseal profiles. Forel has been a pioneer in warm edge spacer systems, producing semi and fully automated IG lines since the 1990s and early 2000s. We recognized early on the benefits of this technology, including excellent thermal performance, strength, flexibility, and automatic application, which reduces manpower and simplifies upstream processes in sealed unit manufacturing. As the name suggests, the Dura line is focused on producing IGs with Duralite or Duraseal, or a combination of both, utilizing the same line architecture. This line can produce insulated glass units up to 98 inches in length and 78 inches in height in both double and triple IG formats. The Dura line is designed to maximize output, achieving an average tact time of approximately 25 seconds for a double IG 36 by 24 inches. This output is achieved without compromising quality or accuracy, enabling manufacturers to produce significantly more with fewer resources. Patented solutions optimize existing technology, making this equipment a strategic choice for manufacturers prioritizing output, accuracy, and quality.